This is the air filter. It works pretty well. It's a good little air purifier. When you first open it, you're not going to think that. Let me show you why. This is the box that it comes in. It is a typical Chinese product box where air purifier is spelled incorrectly. And when you really look at this, air purifier for home pets doesn't make a whole lot of sense. Clean air for everyday living, that does make sense. It does have for protecting against pet dander, HEPA filter, quiet sleep mode. But then there's this, their air, their rules. That doesn't really make any sense either, but you get the idea. So air purifier is spelled wrong, but that's okay because the purifier itself actually works pretty well. With that out of the way, let's talk about the filter itself. It does come with a manual, and the manual is actually pretty good, and it does have a QR code on the back for replacing the HEPA filter that's built into this thing. I'm going to open this thing up here with one hand. There we go. It opens up just like that, and you do have a little pre-filter in here. This is a thin filter. This thing can be taken out and washed or vacuumed periodically. And then, this is important to know, when you first get this, you will have a HEPA filter. Here's your actual HEPA filter. This thing is covered in plastic. So when you first get this, take it out, take this out of the plastic, and then put it back in. It is a pretty solid filter. It works pretty well. It's got some little active carbon in there. You can see it kind of moving around. These things will last about, I think they say 3,000 hours. There's a light on this that will show up saying, hey, the filter needs to be replaced. Now, 3,000 hours, if you run it 24 hours a day, that's something like 4 or 5 months. So you're good. You got probably 3, 4, 5 months of this at least with these. You can go ahead and vacuum or clean this with a soft cloth. And click those both back in, and then this clicks right back up there, and there you go, and it's running just fine. Air goes in here, air goes out here, and you can feel it. It's nice and cool. So let's talk about the control panel right now. It's got a lot of little things on it. It has a light button which controls whether you see that clock or night. So if it's in your bedroom, and I have had it in my bedroom for the most part, it does make it a little bit darker without that air quality number. So this air quality number, let's talk about this. The higher this number is, the more particulates or the more dirty your air is. This is fine right now. When it gets up to about 75 or 76, this blue light will change to a yellow light. That means there's a lot of particulates in the air. As the air gets dirtier and dirtier and dirtier, eventually this light might turn red. That means it's really, really dirty air, and it has to run to kind of pull those particles out of the air and go ahead and slowly bring this number back down to a good quality number, which is a lower number. So right now we're pretty well. When someone's cooking bacon, I'm in a bedroom right now, and the kitchen is right off this door. When someone cooks in there, this number will usually jump up to about 100, 150, like something with a lot of particulates, a lot of smell, a lot of odor. This number does jump up. It's actually pretty cool. And then as time goes on, as it cleans the air, as it pulls those things out of the air, this number does go down, the odor goes away. It works pretty well. So a couple options here. You do have a speed. Right now I have it on auto, and what that does is as the air gets dirtier, the fan will crank up higher. I can just go ahead and change it to, that's low right now. It is on low, medium, and then high. It's kind of small, but the air is kicking up. It is much more air right now. It's really blowing. I'm going to put it back on auto so it only comes on higher modes when it's needed. You have a timer. You can set it to go ahead and run different times. You have sleep modes. Mode has things like Eco, Pet, and Turbo. I haven't noticed a real big difference. I believe that Eco, Pet, and Turbo, honestly, probably just go ahead and change it to low, medium, and high as well. I'm just going to go ahead and put this on auto. I keep it on auto so that it's nice, it's quiet, it's not doesn't make a whole lot of noise. You can barely even notice it's here. But when the air does get dirtier, it does crank up, does its thing, and then it goes back down. That seems to be the best option that I can think of. There is a filter reset button as well, and that will come on again after so many hours. But overall, it's a really nice little unit. It's small, it's compact, it fits really well. It's a nice looking unit. There's not a whole lot to it. It is basically just plastic. You can also obviously order their filter replacement on here. I do like the fact that they have all these explanations right on the filter, because chances are you're going to lose this manual at some point. A couple other nice little features it has. It does have a little deodorizer or odor thing. It has a little pad here. If you want to go ahead and blow scent into the room, you can get some scented oil, put it on this pad, close this up, and it will blow out of here, so you can kind of add some scent to the room. That's a pretty nice little feature. I do like that. It's just a it's a good quality air filter. It does work well. It's good for small to medium rooms. I wouldn't put it in a barn or a warehouse because it's just not going to be able to handle it. But for a bedroom, for a little apartment, it does work very, very well. This is not something I probably would have picked up on my own, but I was sent this to go ahead and tell you about it and kind of give you a quick review. And other than the spelling errors on the box, it's a good product. It works really well. It's been, again, about 2 weeks since I've really kind of got this out and running, and it just does clean the air. It takes the odor out. It seems to be pulling stuff in. I've vacuumed the filter once, the pre-filter once. It just works really well. I'm very impressed with this. Nice, small. It's called Air is the brand. You can see it right there. Pretty impressive. Yeah, highly recommended.